Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on or turn off dark mode on your Samsung Galaxy A27. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to open up the settings. So this is the first important thing. We're going to open up the settings app. Here in the settings app, what we want to do is we want to go and open up display. And right at the top we have the light mode and dark mode. So to turn it on, you tap it on dark. Here you also have dark mode settings, so you can turn it on as scheduled. We can easily just enable it and we can put it as a custom schedule, so it will be from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. the next day. We can just tap it here, and if you wanna just turn it off, you simply tap on light. Now, as you guys can see, the dark mode is gone, and that's how you guys can do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.